Welcome back. Now let's take a look at our verbs. We have 5 verbs here, and some of them you already know, like blame. Now when we use it as a verb, it's an action where you say, hey, I blame you for this broken egg. Okay, so that you put the responsibility on someone else or something else for an action. Now let's look at the word take. Take is a good word because it has many different meanings, so you can use it in many different sentences. Okay? And I know it has a lot of different meanings, so you might be scared, but don't be. Okay? Focus on the easy meanings and then learn how to use those. Okay? So when I think of take, I think that you consume something, okay, such as you take medicine, okay, or you take some food from the refrigerator, right? So you're consuming it. When you consume food, you're eating it, all right? But you can also take it, all right? It could mean to buy something. You want to take. I'll take this car. Okay, if you're shopping for a car, you say, "I'll take this car." That means you buy this car, all right? It can mean gain or acquire. Okay, so you can acquire land or acquire a house. So you take this house from someone. So that's the word take. Now let's look at change. Change is also another word with a lot of definitions. All right, and the easiest one is become different. To make or become different. Okay. And I like the picture of the rainbow because we know that a rainbow, it means that there is change, okay? Because when rain comes, rain changes the environment, it changes the weather, and so when you see a rainbow, you know that change has happened, okay? Let's go to overcome. This is another good word because it means that it's close to the word success. All right, so it means that you succeed in dealing with something. It could be a problem or a difficulty. Okay, so when you succeed in dealing with something, you overcome that issue. Okay, you overcome the subject. All right. Dwell. This is a negative word. It can be negative when you say that you dwell upon something. Okay, it means you sit upon it for a long time. You think about it a long time. So, for example, you have a problem that you dwell on the problem. That means you're always thinking about it. Okay, it can also have a positive meaning, and you say, "I dwell in the city." Okay, meaning you live. But we don't really use it like this. Usually it's used in a negative way. For example, don't dwell on the problem. You need to overcome the problem. Alright? So that's dwell. Okay, so the last thing we want to do is look at the 2 adjectives on the map. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay, so for example, important means something with great value or something with great significance. Alright? So we can say, this will be an important decision in my life. So it has great value, this decision. Right, which means something that is good or acceptable. It's the opposite of wrong. So you can say, this is my right, or this is the right decision for me right now in my life. Alright, so these are 2 adjectives we have. And now you should know the definitions and meanings of all of the words on the map. Now, I hope you have all of these words and understand them. And what I want you to do now is, if you haven't already done this, okay, if you did not already do this, I want you to stop this video and take the time to draw your own map that looks like this map. So you need to add all of the words that are on the screen. You need to put them on a map and draw a small picture next to each one. So, take your time, please finish drawing your own map and review the meanings of these words so you understand them, and in the next video I send you, I will show you how we can make easy sentences and then make conversation from these words. Thanks for watching.